Okay, now that our glue is set up well enough that it's not going to go anywhere, we can take the clamps off. Check the box for square again. You don't have very much time. That glue isn't completely dry yet. So if you are a little bit out of a square, the glue will probably respond to a hammer. And if you're a little bit out of square, say if you're out of square that way, you put the box on the opposite corner and give it a smack. Or else, you can do another thing you can do if a box is out of square is put a clamp from corner to corner and draw it square. You can do it like that. This box is pretty square, but if you tighten this clamp up, it'll push these corners in opposite directions, and if it's out of square the other way, you just reverse the clamp. So let's assume that our box is nice and square, and we're ready to go ahead and put the bottom in. Now this box that I'm making today is just going to be for me to put some of the stuff in my shop in, so I'm not going to make a top for it, and I'm not going to get real fancy with the inside. But if you want yours to be a little fancier, maybe it's a gift box or something, it's a great idea to take this bottom that we've already cut and cover it with some felt or maybe some bright material, just about anything you want. Use some spray adhesive, or you can even use the white glue. Put a thin coat, put the cloth on it, go around and cut it so that the inside is covered with material, fabric, leather. You can use almost anything. And we'll put the bottom in. We'll switch it around here too. Sorry, that wasn't the bottom. This is the bottom. Tap it in place like that, and we'll grab some handy little finish nails. These are a little bit longer than I need, but looks okay. And you'll put several nails, one in each corner. And just nail the bottom of the box in. If you want to, you can use a nail set. One of these little goodies. Put it on the head of the nail and give it a pop, and the nail will go down under the surface of the wood, and then you can fill it and nobody will see your nail hole. But since this is just a utility box for my shop, I don't need to go through that much cosmetics. So now we got a basic box here that's a good, solid, very, very sturdy box. Our next step is to do a little more sanding, and we're going to clean this up and put some finish on it, and we'll have some fun with different kinds of finishes.